If you have plenty of cucumbers in your kitchen, don't eat them the usual boring way until you see these ideas. Hello everyone, it's Nancy here. On hot summer days, I always crave something cold and refreshing, but most snacks leave me feeling heavy afterward. Then I started making these simple cucumber recipes and they completely changed the way I snack during the summer. Trust me, the cucumber ideas I'm sharing today may surprise you because you probably never realized cucumbers could be used in so many different ways. And even more interesting, they may support weight management in a very gentle and natural way. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the cucumbers. Today, I'm using a few fresh cucumbers that have already been washed. You may notice that some are slimmer, while others are larger and thicker. Personally, I usually prefer the slimmer cucumbers because they seem a little crispier. This recipe starts with 3 medium cucumbers with both ends removed. Then take a knife and make a few shallow cuts along the skin before gently smashing the cucumbers. Remember to use moderate force and not smash them too hard. I usually do this to create extra crunch, help the sauce cling better later, and make every bite more flavorful and crispy. Next, gently remove some of the seeds and cut the cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. Cucumbers contain about 95% water, so they are excellent for keeping the body hydrated, especially during hot weather. They can also help you feel pleasantly full while supporting more stable blood sugar levels. Cucumber skin contains flavonoids and other nutrients that may help support blood vessel health. Sprinkle a little salt on the cucumbers and stir well, then let them sit for a few minutes. This helps remove excess water while still keeping the cucumbers crisp. Then add a little sugar vinegar and plenty of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds give the salad a warm, nutty aroma that pairs beautifully with the cool crunch of the cucumbers. Finally, place the salad into a clean glass container and store it in the refrigerator. The salad can stay fresh for up to 1 week, making it perfect as a healthy make-ahead side dish. To continue today's video, I'm going to share my grandmother's secret recipe with you. Just like the previous method, the first step is cutting off both ends of the cucumbers. Removing them helps the overall flavor taste cleaner and fresher. Here is a simple little trick that I really like. Take a fork and gently press along the cucumber while slowly rotating it. This creates small grooves on the surface, helping the sauce soak in more evenly, while also making the cucumbers look more appealing and delicious. Then gently cut the cucumbers into medium-sized pieces. Now let's make the quick marinade. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. There's no need to add water because the cucumbers will naturally release water while resting. Then slice a few thin lemon slices and add them to the bowl. The lemon gives the cucumbers a fresh flavor while also helping them stay crisp and fresh longer during marinating. Once the marinade is ready, use a simple zip bag to marinate the cucumbers. This is one of my favorite methods because it is easy, convenient, and does not require any special kitchen tools. Place all the prepared cucumbers into the zip bag, then pour in the sauce mixture along with the lemon slices. Once everything is inside, gently press out most of the air before sealing the bag. Removing the extra air helps the cucumbers stay in closer contact with the sauce, so they absorb the flavor more evenly. After sealing the bag, gently massage it with your hands for a few seconds so all the cucumber pieces are evenly coated with seasoning. Then simply place the bag into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. During that time, the cucumbers will slowly absorb the flavorful sauce while still staying cool, crisp, and refreshing. After about 30 minutes, remove the cucumbers from the refrigerator and open the bag. Look at this! Everything smells fresh and delicious. The cucumbers will look slightly glossy from the sauce, and the lemon slices will release a fresh aroma throughout the bag. Now it's finally time to taste them. Wow, the cucumbers are wonderfully crisp, followed by the savory flavor of the sauce and the gentle lemon flavor. Everything feels balanced, clean, and surprisingly addictive. If you enjoy simple and healthy recipes like this, please let me know in the comments. I would really love to know how you usually prepare cucumbers at home. Another simple cucumber dish that I really enjoy during hot summer weather is cucumber salad with Greek yogurt. First, slice fresh cucumbers into thin slices or small bite-sized pieces. Then place them into a bowl and add plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt works especially well for this recipe because it is thick, creamy, and naturally rich in protein, helping you stay full longer without feeling heavy afterward. Next, I add a little freshly grated garlic, a bit of black pepper, and some fresh lemon juice. The lemon brings a fresh flavor to the salad, while the garlic adds a gentle, savory taste that pairs wonderfully with the cool cucumbers. Personally, I like an even fresher aroma, so I add a little chopped dill. It is especially perfect for hot summer days. If the weather is also hot where you are, I hope this cool cucumber recipe brings a little refreshment to your afternoon. After mixing all the ingredients together, place the salad into the refrigerator for a few minutes before serving. What I really like about this dish is that it feels filling without being heavy or greasy. It is low in calories, high in protein, refreshing, and very easy to prepare. When you take the cucumber salad out of the refrigerator, it tastes even better. The moment you bite into the cucumber, you hear a fresh, crunchy snap and feel the cool juice burst lightly in your mouth. The creamy Greek yogurt, bright lemon, and gentle garlic flavor blend together beautifully, creating a light, refreshing taste that feels especially comforting on warm days. Simple dishes like this, refreshing cucumber salad, can help you stay hydrated, feel lighter, and enjoy fresh homemade food without much effort. Small habits like preparing healthy meals ahead of time often make a bigger difference than strict diets. If you enjoyed today's healthy cucumber recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more simple and helpful recipes for your health and everyday meals.